In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a time and date field into Google Forms. Whether you're managing event registrations, scheduling meetings, or collecting important information, being able to efficiently add a date and time to your Google Forms can be crucial. So let's dive in and learn how to do this in a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to open the Google form you're working on. You can either start from scratch with a new form or choose an existing form that you'd like to modify. Once your form is open and on your screen, it's time to add a new question. To do this, you'll look for a small plus sign, usually located on the side toolbar to the right of the form. This icon allows you to add a new question to your form, so go ahead and click it. After you've clicked the plus sign, a new question field will appear in your form. Now comes the fun part, specifying that this question will be for date or time input. You'll want to focus your attention on the question type dropdown. This dropdown menu gives you various options for the type of question you're working with. For a date input, you'll select date from the dropdown. If you need to capture a specific time, simply choose time. These options will format the field appropriately, making it easy for your respondents to fill out. The next step is to articulate what you're asking for. In the provided text box, type your question or prompt. This might be something like, please provide your event availability, or what is your preferred meeting date and time? Writing a clear and direct question helps ensure that you receive the appropriate responses and that the person filling out your form understands exactly what is being requested. Now, this final step is optional, but definitely worth considering, making your question mandatory. If you need to ensure that everyone completing the form provides their date or time information, you can toggle the required option. This is easily done by finding the toggle switch labeled required and turning it on. This will create a red asterisk next to the question, indicating that respondents must complete this field before submitting the form. And there you have it. You've successfully added a date or time field into your Google form. As you can see, it's a quick and uncomplicated process, but having this capability in your form can significantly enhance its utility and keep everything well organized. I hope this video was helpful and that you feel more confident using Google Forms to gather the information you need. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching.